So when we're talking about angle relationships in circles, there are three cases. The angles inside the circle, the angles outside the circle, or the angles on the circle. If it's inside the circle, the angle is equal to 1/2 of its intercepted, the sum of its intercepted arcs. So if I want to find the measure of QPR, what I gotta do is I gotta know this intercepted arc, which is 94, this intercepted arc, which is 35, and what I gotta do is I gotta take half of that sum. So I'm gonna take 1/2 of 94 plus 35, half of 129, I get 64.5 degrees. That is the measure of angle QPR. If the angle is outside the circle, it is half of the difference of the intercepted arcs. So if I want to find the measure of angle R, I have to take this arc, 153, subtract this arc, which is 43, and then take half of that difference, which is 55. And if the angle is on the circle, so if we have a tangent and a chord coming from that, so if it's on the circle, it is just half of that intercepted arc. So the intercepted arc of TUV is this arc right here, TU, which is 156 degrees. Take half of that and you get 78.